In the last 24 hours we have left Portugal. We had a 5-hour layover in Dublin before jumping on another flight to head to our current destination, Split, Croatia. We just keep having to pinch ourselves. It's just unbelievable that we're here. And we are here for one very good reason. Over the next 7 days we will be on board Sail Croatia's incredible Explorer cruise. We'll be sailing down the Dalmation coast, docking in various towns along the way and doing loads of activities. This is guaranteed to be a trip of a lifetime and we cannot wait for it to get started. I don't think I've ever seen Samantha this excited for the trip.
Look at this!
Oh my god.
This is the life.
Out of here. Okay, time to find the boat. Is that it there, Samantha, on the right?
This is it. This is the one. Oh, hold on. I think it is. I think. So we've just arrived at the port and we've met a couple of the staff from Sail Croatia, and so far, oh my god, it's going to be amazing, isn't it? They're so nice. They're so nice. They're so nice. So we're going to go on. We have to actually walk through this boat here, and I think we're the 5th boat in.
The 5th boat. We're doing a bit of boat hopping.
And we get to see our boat,
ooh,
Princess Diana.
Yeah, straight through.
Oh, wow. So we'll count 5 then?
Yeah, so this is boat 1.
Boat 1?
This one looks lush, to be honest, doesn't it?
Wow.
But this isn't our one.
Okay, so just watch it because
yeah.
You know what, you're like vomiting.
Jesus. I'm only getting over that.
Cross over?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's safe? Yeah. It's okay.
Right. Okay, we have one more left.
This is our one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're on. Is it? Ah, sweet.
Welcome on board. I don't know where to go.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Okay, yeah.
And when cabin, I think so, must check is cleaning now.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. And
great.
then you can bring your stuff. But I think so the sailor will help you with that. You
okay.
Just put
Just
there.
leave it there for now?
Yeah. And you can walk around here.
I don't know.
I'm Goran. I'm the waiter.
Nice to meet you,
Keelan.
Nice to meet you, Samantha.
Yeah. If
Sweet.
you need something, I will be there.
Okay.
And if you have a passport, you can give me.
Okay, great.
Thank
Sweet.
you.
Brilliant.
Thanks a million. Cheers, thank you.
So we're just off the boat now and we have 20 minutes to kill before we check in. So we're after coming across the road and grabbing ourselves a lovely iced
look
coffee.
at them babies. Cheers.
Cheers. They also allowed us to leave our bags on board, which was great. So once we finish our coffees, we'll be back on board and we'll give you a full tour of the whole boat.
Okay, so we're finished with our coffees. We are now back on board the Princess Diana sailboat. We just keep having to pinch ourselves. It's just unbelievable that we're here. It's going to be an incredible trip. So I think what's going to happen now is they're going to check us in, and they're also going to give us a safety briefing, which is basically just everything we need to know about the ship for the next 7 days. And I think we set sail in about 30 minutes.
Yes, we have to check into our room. We're so excited to see the room.
It's just unbelievable. I mean, so far it's just been incredible, hasn't it? I mean, the people are so friendly, the staff are so nice, the ship is incredible.
Our tour manager Stephanie,
she's lovely.
Lovely, yeah. So she's going to do the safety briefing with us now.
So the buggy excursion, I'm just going to go real quickly with you again, just in case you need it to be recapped.
And she said we're going to chill out then and have some drinks.
That's what she says. She goes, we're like, what we do then? She goes, oh, just have some drinks.
I know, it sounds
like,
so good.
sounds
I was like, yeah, we're all for that.
Well, I missed it.
It's like Jägermeister.
Is it?
Yeah, a little bit. Not too bad, though, not as strong.
Okay, so we have checked in. We have been given our safety brief. All the activities and excursions have been explained to us, so we're dead excited for all of them. We've also had our lunch, which was lovely. Now we're going to show you our cabin.
So welcome to our cabin. So first things first, this is our sleeping situation. We have a big huge double bed, and also we've got a set of bunk beds. I'm already thinking what I'm going to use this for. This will be great for extra storage, so I'm going to lay all my outfits out and have them ready on the bed. And speaking of storage, we have plenty of storage space under the beds, which is really, really handy if you want to unpack your case and then you can throw the cases under the beds. We also have some more storage under the bunk beds, which we probably won't be needing because for once we travelled light. We only brought 10 kg each with us this time.
We're getting better.
We're getting better. We also have a place to hang up some of our stuff. We have our hats hung up there and I have my handbag hung up. Also more storage options here. So it's a nice big wardrobe. For now we just have our bags put away. We haven't unpacked yet. But there's plenty of hangers so we can hang up, like I can hang up my dresses, Keelan can hang up some shirts. Yeah, so loads of room. And each cabin is fully air conditioned.
Oh, Croatia is just so hot.
We also have a bedside locker, a little drawer just to keep some stuff in, which is also very handy. We have a mirror, we have plenty of lighting actually. That's like an overhead light there. Cool. And then we also have a little light over our bed and then a little reading light. And then we're getting our natural light from these cool little windows, which I haven't actually looked out yet. So I'm going to take my shoes off, and I haven't been on the bed yet either to test it. And I have a little look. Oh God, it's high up. God, the bed is actually really comfy.
Is it?
Yeah, it is comfy.
Lovely.
Let's have a look.
They're cool, aren't they, those little lights?
Oh my God, Keelan. We are literally level with the sea.
Right,
we are staying on the lower deck.
I guess, yeah.
Do you know what I mean? So we're eye level with the sea.
Right.
It's so lovely. Oh, it's beautiful. I love these little windows. They're really cool and authentic, aren't they?
Yeah, they're deadly.
Definitely feels like we're on a ship. Give me some sort of boat lingo.
What do you mean? Like
you know, something that like
you'd say on a boat?
Would say, or you'd say on a boat.
I don't know. Ahoy there!
Ahoy there! It's high. Now, last but not least, the bathroom. So we have our toilet, our sink. This is like a hairdryer, I think, is it?
Next one.
That's cool. A nice big mirror. I think that's a little light. Yes. A place to hang up our towels. Another one of those cool funky windows.
Got a hub. Can you see in there?
No, it actually doesn't open.
Oh, thank God.
It's just a design, I think. And then if we exchange places, I'm going to show you the shower.
Oh, it's a grand big shower, isn't it?
It actually is a grand big shower, yeah.
And let me see, does the water come out?
Well, don't you dare! So yeah, overall we're really, really happy with it. Love the whole wooden decor inside the room. It just gives you that real boat feel. And we're really looking forward to spending the next 7 nights here.
Okay, so as part of the itinerary, what happens is we sail down the coast, we stop off at some islands, and then every now and again we pull in for like a swimming stop. So basically we just stop at a particular point and we all just get off the boat and we're allowed to swim around for 30, 40, 50 minutes. I'll just show you, there's a few people in the water already. Swim stops are just unreal because you're up on the sun deck, you're getting roasted by the sun, pulls in for about an hour after breakfast, swim in the sea, cool you down. absolutely perfect.
Because it's day one now, we've left Split and we are heading to a place called Makarska. If I'm saying it right, still have to get used to the pronunciation of the words. So we're here for another about 25 minutes, 30 minutes, and then we're going to head off to Makarska, where we're going to dock in for the night, and then we get to get off the boat and explore the town, go for something to eat, have a few drinks. Supposedly we will get to see a beautiful sunset, so really, really looking forward to that. So that's where we're going to be spending our first night. So it's time for a drink.
Big beer or small beer?
A bigger beer, why not?
A big beer, yes. And what a cool feature. The pint is getting poured out of a saxophone.
Yeah, from the fridge.
That's a saxophone?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that is cool. And what's the name of the beer?
Ožujsko from Croatia.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
look at
Okay.
this.
You want also one more?
Yes.
Yeah. Also, enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.
What's cheers in Croatian?
Živjeli. Živjeli.
Živeli.
Živjeli. Živjeli. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get the hang of that. So welcome to the salon, or saloon some people may call it, but this is like the dining area where we'll have our breakfast, our lunch, which is all included on the boat. This is the bar, and this is really, really cool. This is a saxophone, but like you pull your points from it. How cool is that? Then all the drinks that we can have, there's cocktails, wines, beers, everything. This is also really, really cool. This is a coffee machine.
That's deadly, isn't it? It's real kind of old fashioned or something, isn't it?
Deadly. I love all the little cool features that they have on the boat.
Yeah.
Like, even these little mini boats. Lovely wooden little wine rack.
This one.
We also have a piano, which is a really nice feature.
Jeez, we got a job on here. The entertainment.
And we also have a big fruit bowl, which is a
cool.
boat.
I'm starting to see a theme here.
Yes. And I love, again, I keep saying it, but the wooden effect all over the boat. It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
It's like that shiny varnished wood. It's lovely. Also, what's really nice in here is they have AC, so it's lovely and cool. All of our table and chairs. So if you fancy eating inside, that's an option as well. So now I'm going to bring you out to the outdoor area of the saloon or salon. And again, we have more tables.
It's lovely.
And it's lovely and chilled out. Also, there's like open windows, so you get the breeze from
Coming
the sea.
in from the sea, yeah.
It's lovely.
It's very cool.
And there's more little comfy seating areas down here. And we also have a water machine. This is where we get our water, because you can't drink the water from the taps. So you have fresh water here and it's constantly filled, so you can fill your bottle of water or just cups there to stay nice and hydrated in the heat. So we've actually docked now in Makarska.
It looks lovely.
And I mean, look at that, seriously. It looks amazing.
Look at the mountains and everything like that and the water.
So far, Croatia is just
Unreal.
absolutely beautiful.
It is. We've only been here and it's already one of the nicest countries that
It really is. It's
we've
so
been to.
beautiful. So now we're going to bring you up to the top deck and wait and you check this out. So this is it.
Wow.
Look at this. Oh my god, look at the background.
I know,
Look
yeah.
at that background.
It's insane.
Seriously.
Isn't it?
So this is the top deck. And we have two of them. This is like the highest point, I suppose, of the boat. And we just have some like loungers on the ground.
For
that
sunbathing.
we're sailing, we can just lie down and chill out and sunbathe. So the boat actually holds 40 people in total. So there's plenty of space to sunbathe for everybody. So now we're going to bring you to one of the other decks and wait and you see what they have here. It jacuzzi. I think it's my favourite part. I absolutely love jacuzzis.
God almighty, imagine sitting in that now. On this ship while we're sailing down.
I can just picture chilling out in the jacuzzi, cocktail in my hand, and just sailing along the Dalmation coast and just taking in the beautiful views. It's actually closed now, they were cleaning it out, so we'll be open tomorrow. So now we're coming up to the front of the boat, and you can see there's some sun loungers. Oh, this is heaven. Just turn the camera around and look at my view.
Who the hell do we think we are, Samantha?
Who do we think we are? So this is what wakes us up in the morning. Ring the bell for breakfast and for lunch.
God, it really has everything.
It has everything.
Everything.
And I love the way it's all in the one. It's all just here.
Because we travel all the time, we're going from like place to place. It's nice to have somewhere that we can just stay for 7 days.
It's really nice to have a place that you can just like have your bags packed away and everything's here on the boat. I mean, you have the jacuzzi, you can sunbathe, you have the bar, you have lunch, breakfast, and then you dock off in lovely different towns for dinners. It's literally the perfect holiday.
In the next episode.
There's a confession to make. I can't see a thing.
Samantha's going to drive.
So we've come off the main road now and we're driving through the countryside, and oh my god, it's absolutely beautiful. So our first night on the boat went really, really well.
It's actually like a nightclub inside a cave. So we've docked our second stop, Korcula.
Honestly, it's probably one of the most beautiful towns I've ever seen.
2 different types of white wines, a Poship and Rukatats, rosé.
Lovely. Thank you very much.
You want some wine?
That's like a rooftop, but supposedly it's a cocktail bar and they have like a pulley system.